Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So today I'm here to discuss about some amazing updates in Figma. So when you open Figma, in the top you'll find these two options, okay? Slides and buzz. So let's check out the slides first. So slides is basically to create presentation. For example, if you have used PowerPoint or Google Slides. So you'll be familiar with, presentation making and all. Okay. So now you can create presentation right in Figma. Okay. So for example, I'll select this template here and then I'll select this one. You see how easily it's created. And also I'll just add another slide here. Like that, you can create multiple slides, as many as you want. Yeah, so that's how you can create slides. Also, one amazing thing here is like you get two views here. Like you can work in this way also. Okay, like this also you can edit your things. Also, you can go to this view. So, for example, if you are familiar with working in a large canvas, so also you can work like this one. And I'll show you one more thing, which like you can do in Figma, which is not possible in PowerPoint or Google Slides. For example, I'll just select all of these and then I'm going to hold on Alt and I'll copy these. Okay. So you can, if you want to just adjust this slide, for example, I want this slide to come to this position. Okay. So I'm going to simply click and then I'll place it here. Okay. Also, you can just like this, you can make changes. For example, I want this to be here. So this is how this is an add-on in Figma, which you can't do in your PowerPoint, but you can do it here in Figma. So these are the two views. Okay. Also here in the below, you will find this switch. So you can switch to the design mode if you want. For example, if you click on this one, you'll get all the Figma design tools. Okay. In case you want to make your own changes. Okay. So you can do that as well. So these are some amazing thing about slides. Definitely, I'll come up with more detailed video on the specifically slides and bus. Okay, so for now we are just getting a brief overview on these two topics. Okay, so let me go back and then I'll go to the bus here. Okay, so this is basically an option for social media post. Okay, anything related to social media, you can design it here. Okay, so this I can say that it's similar to Canva. Like if you have used Canva, so you'll find a similarity in these two things. Okay, so for example, here you see social ads. I'll show you. So related to social, Instagram, portrait, post, Instagram story, these options you'll get ads. Okay, you can also create ads and then print materials also you can create here: portrait card, poster, letter. Then business related things also you can create here. So these are some amazing things you can create here. Sales and promotions, so also you can design stuffs related to sales and promotions. This is related to events. Okay, and then the celebration. Okay, these are some amazing options right in Figma. Okay, you don't have to go to any other tool now. You can create all these things in Figma. So here, for example, I'll select this option here. So it's giving me some templates as well. So for example, if you want to change the type of post, here you'll get the option. Okay, LinkedIn ad, YouTube thumbnail, YouTube banner. A lot of things are there. We are going to obviously discuss in detail in my further videos. So here as well, you can just use the grid view. See, for example, so this is so cool, right? Also, another thing is you can here also you get the option to switch to the design mode. Okay, so as usual, you'll get all the design related tools here. Okay, so that's it for this video. It was a short overview on these two topics. So soon I'll be posting some detailed video for both slides and bus. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on those videos. And if you liked the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Okay, and also share your thoughts in the comments down below. I would love to know what you think about these features. So, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video.